Hi YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. We got a call from a neighbor.
Yay.
They got junk. They're hoping somebody can take some of it off their hands. So me and the Junkin' Buddy are gonna go check it out. So, because we live in the country, the neighbors are like 5 miles away. So
Yeah.
gonna take a minute. Otherwise, you know, if it was a neighbor like right next door, we'd probably still drive.
No, we would actually drive because we have space back here.
For junk.
Junk. Yep, a junk.
Let's go check it out.
Hey guys.
Got dark on us. We went junkin'. Can you see it? It's full. We are full of junk, including some wonderful puffy Christmas stuff. I can't remember what they're called, but a bunch of different Christmas items.
We have Mary, we have the whole set.
Mary, Jesus, Joseph, Santa,
Baby Jesus,
the holy angels, some lambs,
and Frosty the Snowman.
and some lamps back here. And then we got two farm chairs.
Frosty the Snowman.
We got 2 beat up farm chairs, which are awesome. We've got 2 gas pumps that we're gonna make into lights. Yay! I'm so excited for the lights. And then we've got some old C-clamps that were pretty cool. They're probably gonna get converted into something else as well. Bless you, bless you. And an eye bolt sort of hanging thing that I'm gonna use for a hanging lamp that I had my dad create. So this is some pretty cool junk. I'm glad they called because, you know, they made a little money and we got a great products and we're very excited. We'll have to show you everything we got once the sun comes back up. So
Tomorrow. After school, I think.
Thanks for junking with us, everybody. If you like this video, give it a
Big thumbs up.
and if you want to see more junkin' videos and DIY tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to be notified. And if you're so inclined to support the channel, buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description below. Victoria would love it if you bought me a coffee.
And if we get to 1,000 subscribers,
We're giving stuff away. So please subscribe so you can get entered to win a really great prize package, including a $100 Target gift card and 2 quarts of Bungalow 47 or Junk Gypsy paint of your choice, and pretty brushes, maybe some more stuff. I don't know. We'll just see. I feel whimsical sometimes when I give stuff away. I like giving stuff away. So thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.
bye.
Bye. Happy junkin'. Hi, YouTube. So we got another rescue call. I got to take the Junkin' Buddy to school, though she can't go with me. Sorry, Junkin' Buddy. But the girl who does my massages, Sarah, and I'm not going to tell you where she does them because I'm not going to have everybody booking. It's hard enough to get an appointment with. You get your own. She called me. She texted me some pictures of some stuff that she needs rescued for free. So, yeah, we've got a bunch of stuff now that we're rescuing, but you should see the cool stuff that she has for me. So, I'm going to drop off Junkin' Buddy at school, and then I'm going to get on the road to Sarah's and pick up some more rescue items.
So let's get right.
Let's go junkin'. Okay, so I was able to rescue all that metal stuff you see back there. That's from my massage girl. That was what her dad was going to throw away. The window frame and stuff that I took out of my booth, I'm taking it to a pop-up sale that I'm doing. But I'll put pictures in because you can't believe this. He was going to throw it away. No? Yeah. So it was all absolutely free. I didn't want any money, and it's just incredible metal stuff. So he had like 2 metal baskets, this candle holder, wall sconce. It's the patina on this thing is incredible. And that, see that tiered plant stand back there? I think it's a plant stand. It's got this basket thing. It's so cool. I don't know that I want to let that go. I might have to use it for display. We'll see, but take a look at the pictures. Isn't that the coolest stuff? I mean, seriously, you can't throw stuff. If any of you are thinking about throwing something like that away, you just call me. I will come to where you are and rescue that. I mean, that's just crazy to me that people would throw that kind of stuff out. I mean, even if you put it at the end of your driveway and let someone take it away, it's better than putting it in a landfill. Don't ever put anything in a landfill. I will make more rescue calls. I mean, it's not 911, but it's a rescue call nonetheless. So if you ever need to have furniture rescued or like all the wonderful treasures that I found today, you know, call me or call another junker in your area and see if they want to rescue it. If you're calling a dealer though, can I just please give you some advice? Remember, we have to make a profit. So please don't expect to get full retail on whatever you're offering to a dealer. We have people that come into our shop all the time and they want to sell us stuff that, you know, they were given from a family member or, you know, left in a will, and they expect to get like the American Pickers prices. You're not going to get American Pickers prices because most of us don't have American Picker kind of money. And the truth is, you know, we still have to make a profit at the end of the day. So if you're going to a vintage shop or a consignment shop and you're asking them to sell your vintage treasures for you, please understand we can't give you full retail price. So that's just a handy little tip from me. Thank you everybody for watching. Hello to my new subscribers. Hi guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe link below. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos. I've got DIY tutorials and of course more junkin' videos to come. So I appreciate everybody being here. And don't forget, if I make it to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving stuff away. So please subscribe, because once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, yeah, I'm going to be giving you guys some really cool stuff. So got a $100 Target gift card coming up. And you're not going to want to miss some of the tutorials that I've got coming. So I appreciate you guys watching. I love all of you. Happy junkin', everyone. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.